everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix your PlayStation 4 games crashing on your PS4. So the first thing you want to do is update the system software. Just go over the game and press options on it and check for update. Maybe there's an update that's trying to update or something like that, and that's the reason why it's crashing. Now another thing that you should do is power cycle your PS4 by going to power and then go to turn off right here. Once it's turned off, unplug it from the wall, let for at least 30 seconds to 1 minute, and that tends to fix a lot of the issues as well. Now you could have other games or applications open up in the background, and that's causing your PS4 just to be slow. So go up at the top and close any other applications beside the games you're playing. So you can go over the game too. There should be an option to close up here. Then if it's still not working, we can go on over to settings, go down to account management, and we want to go to restore licenses. So if you become unable to use content you downloaded through the PlayStation Store, there might be a problem with the licenses, so we can just go to this option and then restore it. And another thing that we could do is activate our PS4 as primary, and if we get kicked offline, we can play the games offline and we can share the PlayStation Plus and our games with every other account on our PS4. Now, another thing is to make sure you have enough storage space on your PS4. Maybe you're trying to download an update and it simply doesn't have enough storage space. So typically you need twice as much storage space as what it says, because it needs to copy and then overwrite the data. So if you got like a 20 gigabyte update or something like that, make sure you have at least 40 gigabytes free. So Call of Duty is like a 300 gigabyte game, so you pretty much can only install that on your hard drive. So make sure you have enough free space. And then another thing that we do is hold down the power button and go to turn off right here. And we can launch this into the safe mode menu. If we have any kind of like corrupted data, we can fix it by rebuilding the database. So we will need a cable connected to our PS4 controller for this to work. So let's do that now. So I have this cable right here. Plug this in and wait for our PS4 to turn off. So when it's turned off now, we want to hold down the power button on the front of the PlayStation. So wait for this light to stop blinking. I don't see it. Hold down the power button. You'll hear one beep initially. And then wait, and we should hear another beep coming up. And then we can let go. With our controller plugged in, we can press the PlayStation button. So let's go up to the top now. And go on over to the PlayStation button, press this. Go on down to option number 5, rebuild database. So it should be right here. Just select this and go on over to OK. It says it will take a few hours, but my experience only takes like maybe 10 seconds. So it doesn't take long at all. It's going to restart your PS4. It'll come to this blue screen where it's going to go ahead and give you an estimated amount of time of how long it's going to take. And then you should be good to go. And if you have any kind of like hard drive error, this should fix it. Now another thing that you can do is simply just delete the game and then re-download it. But this should go ahead and fix it if there's any kind of like hard drive errors or something like that. So it's rebuilding the database, and then you should be good to go. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.